In this BDRSuite How-to Series video, I'll show you how to add a KVM host for backup. Let us get started. First, open the BDRSuite Backup Server console. Enter the username, password, and click Sign In. Navigate to the Data Sources, Hypervisors menu, and click on KVM. Following that, click on the Add KVM button. Manual agent installation is the default and recommended option for adding KVM hosts as a data source for backup. To begin, first, download BDRSuite Delegation Service. BDRSuite Delegation Service is a mandatory component for KVM backup, and you'll need to install it on each host you plan to backup. It operates on port 32004, so make sure your firewall's rules allow this port. BDS is available for Red Hat Linux and Debian Linux. In this video, I'll install BDS on a KVM host running on a Ubuntu machine. Click the Download button alongside the Debian Linux and get the BDRSuite Delegation Service. Then, copy BDS to the target KVM host you want to backup. Now, let us look at the BDS installation process on the KVM host. Open the terminal and sign in as the root user by using the command sudo su. Then, locate the BDRSuite Delegation Service file. Unzip the installer file using the command shown on the screen. Next, run the BDRSuite Delegation Service binary file. Following that, read the agreement. Click the button I accept and proceed. Next, enter the DNS name or IP address of the machine where you installed the BDRSuite Backup Server. Once the delegation service is installed on the KVM host, it will automatically connect to the backup server using these details. Choose the backup component based on the type of backup you need. Select KVM Backup option and click Next. Review the configuration and click Install to begin the installation. BDRSuite Delegation Service components are now being installed. This might take a few minutes. Let us wait for the installation to complete. Finally, click Finish. BDRSuite Delegation Service is successfully installed and will automatically connect to the backup server using the IP address or DNS name provided during installation. This may take a few minutes. Meanwhile, you can verify and manage the BDRSuite Delegation Services from the directory shown on the screen. Once the BDRSuite Delegation Service starts running and establishes connection to the backup server, the KVM host will be successfully listed as a data source on the backup server. You can identify the KVM host using its IP address and manage the host from here. Following that, you can start configuring backups for your KVM virtual machines from the menu Backup. Configure Backup, Virtual Machines, and click on KVM. For the step-by-step guide for configuring KVM backups, check the link in the description box below. Now, it's your turn to try it out. If you need any assistance, please contact BDR Support. Thanks for watching.